Hello YouTube and welcome back to iTech Support. In this video, I will be showing you how to do a hard reset on your ZTE Avid Trio model number Z833. So let's get straight to the point. First things first, we need to power off our device. So let's go ahead and power our device off. And now with our device powered off, how we will get into the recovery screen is we will hold the volume up and the power button both at the same time. So let's go ahead and do that. Volume up, power. Now as soon as you see the Android logo pop up, you release the power button, but keep holding the volume up. Now from here, we will use the volume down button to navigate to wipe data/factory reset. Click the power button to select it. Now again, volume down, yes, power button to select. Now it looks like our data is formatting and it's already complete. It's a pretty quick process. Now we will reboot the system and all of the personal apps and all of the personal files will be erased.